Hey guys, so today I'm gonna tell you how to look younger with makeup. So first I'm applying Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Longwear High Cover Foundation in shade 6.5. You can pick up any foundation you like, but you should just take care that once you have applied it before, you shouldn't see that it looks cakey. Even if it doesn't cover anything, it's alright, but then it shouldn't look cakey. I'm spreading it with the spatula. You can do it with your fingers or just start right away with the brush or the blender. It's your wish, but I find this easier for me so that the blender job is less. So I'm using this damp blender which really helps me out to give that airbrush finish. And I feel if you want to apply, like if you want to have a younger looking skin, then please use a blender instead of a brush, because I really feel like this works really wonders. So of course I'm tan right now, so that is why you can see a little shade difference between my skin and the foundation. But yes guys, this is my shade. And now I'm gonna apply Tarte Shake Tape Concealer in light medium, and you guys know how much I love it. I actually use it for my daily wear because I had dark circles, and this really works wonders because you just need to apply a little bit and you're done. It's like so good. And thank you guys so much for your last video's appreciation. I really was overwhelmed, and if you guys haven't seen it, so please click on the link on the screen and you can watch that, or maybe after this video. Now I'm using KKW Cream Contour Stick in shade medium, and it's like pretty light whenever I need a very light contouring kind of a thing. So that is what I need, because I'm not going to show a hard contouring today, because to look younger you shouldn't have contouring. So this is just to have a little shape to your face and show some dimension. So I'm just blending it and using Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder from light to medium and just dusting very little bit just to enhance that airbrush finish. Now going for a little brown, light brown smoky eyes you can say, and I'm using Glitter Galaxy Fusion palette for this because I really like the way it blends, the colors blend with each other. And I'm using the transition shades, two transition shades, from first light and then the darker one, and then I'm using a brown, normal brown eyeshadow, and that gives me light brown smoky eye, which really kind of looks youthful yet looks glamorous. So I am using the same colors with different brushes on the lower lid and going little precise with the shadows, and now just blending both of them. That just ends beautifully outside, like towards the ear side. Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Girl Waterproof Mascara in Black Beauty, and I have already applied NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk because this makes your eye look bigger and softer, because I don't want to give that black, eyes, so that it just looks a little soft. Also guys, the way you have to apply mascara is toward like upwards, not outwards. Outward looks like more sensuous, sexy, glamorous, but when you go upwards it looks more of doll type, so you have to take care of that. To stick around to the soft look, I am not going for hard contouring. I am using Too Faced Coca Contour palette, but just warming up my face with the contour color, but just using like a bronzer. So I am using it on my forehead or on my cheeks and on the chin, my jaws. To give the pop to the highlighter, I'm using MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. I love this step because it really gives highlighter a different level. For highlighting, I'm using ABH Embrace. It is such a beautiful highlighter, as you can see, and this is my favorite step to do a makeup. Applying it with a big fan brush, you can use your highlighting brush and apply on the high parts of your face. For the girly blush, I'm using a very light peachish pink NARS Cosmetic Amore blush. It is such a beautiful one. And now I'm using my everyday liquid lipstick. That is by Sugar Cosmetics Suave Mauve. It's in the category of Smudge Me Not, and it's such a beautiful shade. I have used it like so much. You can go for any pink shade. You can go for peachish to pink shade if you are towards olive skin, or you can go for light pink if you are towards the fairer side. So guys, this is my complete look, and if you guys liked it, so please subscribe, enjoy this video, don't forget to like and share. Bye bye, see you next time.